Racing just started. We have Madam Leonora. Break quick leader start. Fabiola in second. Manalang is only inside. Quick Storm. Storm play comes next while Mama's favorite is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Madam Leonora by about 3/4 of a length lead. Right behind in second is Fabiola. Quick Storm is done in third. Down inside fourth comes Manalang. Then followed by Mama's favorite while Storm play now racing in less half mile distance they traveled. We have Fabiola now takes command. Madam Leonora drops back in second. Quick Storm moving up the outside. Manalang comes next. Storm play while Mama's favorite now racing in less. And at the far turn we have Fabiola by about ahead. And on the outside now is Quick Storm to take the lead. We have Quick Storm now takes command. Fabiola is down on the inside. Manalang comes next. Then followed by Madam Leonora. Storm play likewise coming closer while Mama's favorite now racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Quick Storm by our length and a half. Fabiola in second. Manalang moving upon the outside. Storm play last 75 meters. Quick Storm Manalang is on the outside, but it's still Quick Storm. And finally Quick Storm Manalang. Then comes Fabiola. Storm play Madam Leonora and Mama's favorite.